Hello everyone, welcome to the DigiAds TikTok lesson. In today's video, we will teach you how to win free traffic by taking advantage of the TikTok algorithm. Sounds too technical? Don't worry. You do not need any computer or data science background. We will explain it to you in the easiest way possible. We have 3 parts for today's topic. One is to understand what is called good performance for TikTok, that is how many tiers. And the second is the factors that influence impressions and video views. Last, we would list the top 3 common mistakes people make when they post videos on TikTok. From the TikTok account traffic volume perspective, we have a total of 5 tiers. The first tier is 0 to 100. When you run your TikTok account for 3 days in a row and post 2 videos every day, a total of 6 videos, however, the average video views are 0 to 100, then the account is deemed as a low-weight TikTok account. We recommend you abandon this account as it is very hard to develop it into a successful account. You might as well just abandon it. The second tier is 200 to 600. Similarly, when you post 2 videos per day for 3 days in a row and your average viewing result is within this 200 to 600 range, your account is deemed as a comparatively potential one. If you post higher content quality videos, you have a decent chance of getting higher views. In the third tier, your videos easily harvest 1,000, or even more views. Your account is seen as a high-weighted account by the TikTok algorithm. This means your account can be cultivated into one winning millions of followers. Please note here that any video reaching 10,000 views will be recommended by the TikTok system to nearby people who might like this kind of video. The fourth tier means when your video views reach 1 watt to 10 watts. This is a very impressive result and your video will be recommended to people in the nearby provinces, which are a very large group of people. If you are in the United States, the province is converted into a state. The last tier, 1M to 10M views, 1M stands for 1 million. At this tier, your video will be pushed to the highest traffic pool, and your video can be seen by users from all over the country or even the world. So now you are wondering, what factors influence the traffic your video gets on TikTok? In the second part, we will explain the 4 key factors you should consider before posting your video. They are video materials, music, copywriting, and tags. First and foremost, video materials. Material is the key factor affecting your video completion rate. For a video on a new account, we recommend the length ranges between 12 to 15 seconds. The longer your video, the less likely the audience are to complete the video, that is, the video completion rate is low. Video completion rate is an important factor for TikTok to decide if they recommend your video to the potential audience. Also, the video material quality is another important factor. High quality leads to more engagements like comments and likes, which would trigger TikTok's recommendation system. Secondly, music. If you choose the proper rhythm of the music or the music matches your video to grab the audience's attention and interest, then you succeed in this factor. Your video will be pushed to more people. The third is the use of video script or video copy. For example, if you throw an interesting or engaging question in your video which triggers the audience to discuss or comment on your video, TikTok algorithm could detect this heatedly discussed video and recommend it to more people. Finally, get clear on which tags to use for your video. Never just randomly use a hashtag. Your tag might mislead your video to be recommended to the non-targeted audience. In addition, figuring out which hashtags are trending is key to ensuring your video will be included in the trend, which means more traffic. You can always choose to try DigiAds product to find out which tags to use for more traffic. The above 4 factors are what you should consider when producing your video. Once your video is ready, please try to avoid the following 3 common mistakes. The first mistake is using a video with watermarks. Never post your video with other people's watermarks, it is a violation of copyright. Your video traffic will be restricted, or even worse, your account will be blocked. The second mistake is reposting others' videos without any alternation. Never use other accounts' videos without making any changes. You have to make decent re-editing to these videos before posting. Mere reposting of other videos will be restricted. And also be cautious of the languages you use if the video material you use is from another country. The last mistake is using other people's music when reposting. When you want to download other videos to use for your own editing, remember to detach the music and add a new piece. Otherwise, your video might be detected as a copyright violation and you might not be able to post your video or only get limited traffic. Thank you for your watching. This is today's lesson on understanding the TikTok algorithm. Any questions? Please let us know in the comments section.